Explore top-rated multi-process welders that streamline welding tasks with versatility and efficiency. Our selection showcases the best multi-process welders known for their superior performance across MIG, TIG, and stick welding processes. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best multi-process welders you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. ESAB's EMP210 series stands out as one of the top multi-process welders, securing the 5th spot for its versatile capabilities. Engineered for steel, stainless steel, and aluminum projects, these inverter-based systems boast professional-grade arc performance and precise digital controls. Weighing just under 29 pounds each, they offer dual voltage flexibility, 120 or 230 V, ideal for mobility across various work environments, from workshops to field sites or home garages. ESAB's commitment to quality extends to included accessories. The EM210 package features a Tweco Fusion 180 MIG gun with velocity consumables, a Victor argon or CO2 regulator, and a Tweco ground clamp with a robust 1.9-inch DINS connection. It also includes essential adapters and a sample wire spool of ESAB OK Aristo rod 12.50 mild steel wire. The EMP210 package enhances this lineup with additional tools like the Tweco 17V TIG torch and Tweco electrode holder. Both models support MyGi aluminum welding with an optional spool gun and offer the flexibility of remote foot control for lift TIG welding. Designed for professionals seeking superior weld quality and operational versatility, the ESAB EMP210 series remains a reliable choice for demanding welding tasks across diverse settings. The Yeswelder 135 amp MIG welder stands out as a top choice among multi-process welders, earning its place at number 4. With a robust 135 amp output, it empowers welders to tackle mild steel plates up to 2/5 inch thick, supporting 2-pound 0.03 and 0.035 inch flux core wire for versatile applications. Its 3-in-1 capability, gasless MIG, stick, and optional lift TIG, additional torch required, ensures it meets diverse welding demands effectively. Enhancing usability, the welder features an advanced digital display that enhances operational clarity, facilitating precise adjustments. Synergic Control simplifies wire feeding speed adjustments by automatically adjusting voltage, making it equally suitable for beginners and seasoned professionals alike. Safety is paramount, with automatic voltage fluctuation compensation, along with protections against overcurrent and overload, ensuring secure operation in varied conditions. Despite its robust capabilities, the Yeswelder 135 amp MIG welder remains remarkably lightweight at just 11.4 pounds, enhancing portability without compromising on power or functionality. Whether in a workshop or on-site, its compact design ensures ease of transport, making it a reliable companion for welding tasks, wherever they may be. The Sunstac 200A aluminum MIG welder stands out as a top choice among multi-process welders, securing its place as the 3rd best in its category. Boasting a sophisticated LCD screen panel, it offers clear visualization and intuitive control of welding data, streamlining operations for enhanced efficiency. Its versatility extends beyond conventional materials like iron, carbon steel, and stainless steel, seamlessly accommodating aluminum welding with the option to integrate a spool gun for added flexibility. Whether in manual MIG or intelligent synergic mode, this welder caters to both novice users and seasoned professionals alike, ensuring accessible functionality across various welding techniques including MIG, flux MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding. Performance-wise, its robust 200A current capacity and adjustable inductance deliver superior welding outcomes characterized by minimal spatter and instantaneous arc initiation. With the ability to select the 100% R option for aluminum welding, the Sunstac 200A exemplifies precision, reliability, and comprehensive utility in the realm of welding equipment, making it an indispensable tool for diverse industrial and artisanal applications. The Femerol 250A MIG welder stands out as a top choice among multi-process welders, earning its place due to its versatile capabilities and user-friendly features. This 6-in-1 welding marvel offers a comprehensive range of functions: gas-solid wire MIG, gasless flux, core MIG, stick, MMA, spot welding, lift TIG, and is spool gun compatible. One of its standout features is the MIG synergic control, simplifying welding operations for both novices and seasoned welders alike. By automatically matching current and wire feed speed based on selected wire diameter and gas material, it ensures effortless setup and consistent performance. Experienced welders can further tailor settings to suit individual welding techniques and preferences. Notably, this machine excels in welding aluminum, offering flexibility through two methods: using a Teflon wire feed tube or a spool gun. Its robust 250A capacity allows the welding of mild steel up to 0.55-inch thick, while integrated safety features such as overload, overvoltage, overcurrent, and overheating protection provide peace of mind during operation. The ESAB Rebel EMP 205IC stands as the pinnacle of multi-process welders, celebrated for its versatility and robust performance across industrial applications. Equipped to handle MIG, flux cord, stick, including 6010 electrodes, DC TIG, and AC TIG welding tasks with exceptional proficiency, it embodies true all-process capability. For TIG welding, it boasts advanced features such as high-frequency start in both DC and AC modes, along with adjustable balance, frequency, and pulse DC settings, catering to professional demands. Innovative SMIG technology sets it apart, continually adapting to the welder's technique to maintain a stable arc and ensure consistent, high-quality welds. This feature not only enhances productivity for seasoned welders, but also accelerates the learning curve for newcomers, making it an ideal choice for diverse skill levels. Weighing a mere 49 pounds and fortified by a robust 5-handle roll cage, the Rebel EMP 205IC AC/DC combines unparalleled portability with rugged durability, perfectly suited for both workshop environments and on-site projects. Its TFT multilingual display offers a wealth of customization options, including 4 programmable memory locations per welding process, multi-language support, trim adjustment, inductance control, pre-post flow regulation, and spot weld settings. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.